have fear on you. Okay, why don't you join me on stage? What's your name?
My name is Rupesh.
Rupesh. Okay, Rupesh, so I have a very fabulous gift for you, but then the gift is not a virtual gift out here which you can actually see. Okay, so it's something very different. So what the gift is for you, I'll unleash it a little later. Okay, it's a surprise. So you have to hang out here for a while. Okay, so why don't you just do that? Thank you, Rupesh. Once again, a huge round of applause for Rupesh. We have a special surprise for him that will be coming shortly, or probably the surprise will be coming to him out there. Okay. In the next few seconds, we have yet another dance performance out here, but this time it's no Bollywood number. This time we're looking at an international act, because it's none other than the Wing Act. Are you guys ready for it? No, you guys are not ready. Who's not ready for it? I think the gentleman behind who's not ready for it, he could possibly come here and entertain us for a while. Come on, who is that? Yes, I shall come to you if you don't come to me. Why don't we move this chair across? Who is the gentleman who wasn't ready? Yeah? Is he? Yeah, you're the one. Okay, no. You're fully ready. It was him, right? Yeah. Okay. I think, guys, we need a little more. Yes, please, come on, join me on stage, sir. Come on, join me on stage. Come on. So this is how we do it out here. If there's no entertainment, we get entertainment from here. Come on. Yes. Join me on stage. Okay, perfect. Can I know your name, please, sir?
My name is Jackie.
Mr. Jackie. Okay. So what's going to happen out here? Something very interesting, okay? We're going to have from the audience, we're going to be 3 people out here, are going to choose a task for Jackie out here, and then Jackie can decide which one is he actually going to be doing. Okay? I'll go for the first one. So we're giving you 3 tasks. Out of these 3 tasks, you can decide any one task which you have to do to entertain us.
I can't.
No, we're going to be doing this. You do have no choice out here now. The first task coming your way is you have to sing a song for us. Okay, the second task, what is it? First I've said is sing. Second, dance. Dance on a Bollywood number. Okay, fine, we specified for you. And the third task. Okay, do lafzon ki hai. That's what the request from the audience is. Yes. Yeah, do you know that song? So Jackie's actually going for a huge round of applause for him. Come on! Woo! That's the sportsmanship spirit we're looking at. Okay, let's go for it. I don't know the words. Any of the ladies out here who know the words for the song could possibly help her.
Whatever minimum.
It's Do Lafzon Ki Hai.
Okay, let me to try.
I think we have a lady out there, yeah? Okay. Why is this echoing so much? I feel you know the song? Okay. Sorry? No. It's not a gift. Are you ready? Let's go for it.
Very spontaneous.
Everyone, keep your hands clapping, guys. Come on.
की कहानी क्या है मोहब्बत क्या है जवानी.
Not bad, huh? He deserves this guy. I think he deserves a huge round of applause. And this one goes to you for that. Thank you once again for being the entertainer of the year at Farmer Leaders. Yes, thank you once again for joining us. We're requested to kindly cut the echo because it seems like we're in an auditorium right now. Okay, so I think it's time that we begin for the wing dance. Anybody out here who's not ready for the wing dance now? Everyone's ready for it now. Okay, so without any further delay, please welcome our lovely lady for the wing dance. Ek baar zordar taaliyon ho jaye. Come on.